In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the fall filter on Instagram. So this is a very cool filter, and the way you get this is very simple. All you need to do is, well, I'm on the Instagram camera to show you what it looks like before the filter is applied. So what it does is it makes everything that's green, makes it this awesome orangey color, so it looks like fall. So I'll go back onto the Instagram homepage. Then I'll tap on the little magnifying glass next to the home button at the bottom. Then in the search bar, you want to search for this account. It's called dom.raldon. I will leave this account linked up in the description, so you can just go and click on that. Then you want to tap on that account, and it looks like a fake account at the moment, but I'm sure they'll load some pictures in that. Then just tap on this button right here, which is the filters button or the effects button, and then you will see the autumn magic filter. So just tap on that. Now from this screen you can try it by tapping the try it button, or you can download the filter to quickly get access to it later by saving it to your camera. So I'm going to click on try it, and then you can see it makes everything that was green this awesome orangey color, making it look like fall, which I think is super cool. So that's all there is to it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.